Cleanse and detox your kidney naturally. Our kidney, even though they are relatively small organs, are very important. They are responsible for our body's vital function. They eliminate toxins from our blood through their filtering system, regulate blood pressure, and much more. With our modern lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits, we don't always pay as much attention to our kidneys' health as we should, and there can be several consequences. The problem is that our kidney can't always let us know that something is wrong, so we should avoid habits such as not drinking enough water, consuming too much caffeine, salt and fat, drinking too much sodas or alcohol, not urinating enough, laziness, smoking. Today we are going to teach you a juice recipe to maintain your kidney healthy using some powerful ingredients. Watermelon, great at detoxing your kidneys and treating urinary tract infection. Turmeric relieves inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties that have been proved in several scientific studies. Lemon, a great source of citric acid which keeps small stones from growing and breaks down the others. Ginger, rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals that make it extremely beneficial for our health. It's also an anti-inflammatory and great at detoxifying. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Instructions: put the watermelon juice in a jar. Next, add the grated ginger, lemon juice, and turmeric powder and gently stir. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then strain it and store it in a bottle. You should drink this juice twice a day.